Teleport me to the reactor door. I want to start the reactor cleaning today.
Cleaning training started. You can begin the cleaning steps.
Can you please explain this again?
You need to do the following. 1. Grab the wrench from the workbench. 2. Loose the bolts. 3. Put the wrench back. 4. Open the reactor door.
Can you highlight the needed tool?
You grabbed the wrong tool.
Oh,
This is the
okay.
EX device, and not the wrench.
Show me the broom, please. Highlight the YXometer device, please. What is the flashlight here? Where is the wrench? Teleport me to the reactor door. Teleport me to the key entry area. Teleport me to the office room.